Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button, like and share. So, this was the prediction we made yesterday. I told you guys that GBPUSD will definitely give us that bullish move. See, it's eventually come to tap this level. This was our prediction, and we were predicting about 70 pips, and market gave us that 70 pips. It even gave us more than 70 pips. So with this movement, market gave us about 150 pips, right? Markets give us 150 pips. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you subscribe so you would not miss out on any updates. Do not miss out on any updates and subscribe now. So markets eventually give us a bullish move that we were predicting for on GU, and now it has eventually given us a breakout. So what I want you guys to do is wait for your pullback to play out, and then you continue the movement upward again. I mean, this is a strong buy. I told you guys that GU is a bullish move, right? So reason is that when you take a look at it here, we see this to be our first high. Here is our higher low. Then here is also the higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Then it gave us a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Markets pushed up and gave us a new higher high right now. So you should be expecting an higher low to be made on GU, which I did not expect to be much, just a little bit. Once you get the higher low, wait for your buy setup to take the buy again, and it will push and give us a new higher high. So have it in mind that an higher low will be playing out anytime soon. So a pullback should be playing out. Remember, this is a massive bullish move. This is a massive bullish ride. So the best thing you should wait for your pullback, then you can now go ahead and take it buy again. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the next update.